Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Emmanuel, and today I'm going to teach you and show you how to upgrade to Canva Pro without having to pay 5 naira, without having to pay even a dime. Okay, and this is your first time checking on this channel, and if you're here for the first time, I really welcome you. I would like you to do a few things for me. Number one, click on subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also give us a thumbs up if you find this video interesting. Give us a like, and also there's a notification bell around this channel. Click on it so that whenever I drop a video like this next time, you will be among the first people to get the video and to be notified. Okay. Lastly, I would like you to drop a comment on the comment section if you find this video interesting, right? And to see your mind out. If you're already a subscriber to this channel, I really appreciate you. Thank you for checking back again. God bless you. And please don't forget to share also this video to your relative and your friends or your audience. Thank you. Okay, today we are going to move into to the business. Before we delve into today, I would like you to do a few things. Number one, I would like you to, if you already have a Canva application on your phone, I would like you to go ahead and uninstall the application so that it will not distract us from going further. All right, or it will not distract you when you want to do your own. So this is my Chrome application. I use Chrome for browsing, and I'm going to teach you this through this application, this browser. So the first thing I will do, if you're using Android phone, or if you're using a smartphone, let's say smartphone, there's a three dot line at the top right corner of your screen. This is for smartphone users. If you're using laptop, you don't have to do this. So you click on that icon, then you come back to where it's written desktop site. Click on desktop site, and then you go ahead and click on and search for a website I call Thumbnail. Here is it, Thumbnail. So you click on that website. So there is your website. You click on the link there. Click on that link, the first link. Click on it. It will take you to their website. So this page, it will take you to this page. Once you come to this page, there's what we call captcha. So you have to complete the captcha in order for you to go to their website, to their main website. So you click on that small box there to confirm if you're a human being. So once you've done that, you wait for the page to load. For the survey to come up. Here there's a little survey. So this survey is to confirm if you're a human being as well, like I said. So you have to click on image that contain boss. Yeah, the image that contain boss, like 4 images there, and you do what, and you continue. Click on the next. Once you click on the next, another one here up again, still the same thing. Click on images that contain boss. Images that contain boss. Click on images that contain boss. That's like how many images? 1, 2, 3. I think the remaining ones are either trains or both. So click on verify to continue. Boom, here we are. So what you do is that we have an email here already. Okay, so I'm not going to use this email for today because the email has been used already. So I'm going to delete this email and wait for another new one, for a new one to load up. Okay, so this website gives you access to free temporary email address where you can use for registration, anything online or offline. Okay, like this one, I'm going to wait for this one to load up. Okay, here's another one, a new email here. So what I would do now, there is a green icon there beside the scanning image, the icon there. So what I have to do is to copy this email. Once I'm done copying this email, I'll open another, you open another tab again, open another tab again. You apply the same thing for desktop site here. Click on desktop site, and then you go ahead and search for canva.com. Okay, you click on canva.com. Once you have done that, wait for the website, the Canva website, to load up. Sorry guys, wait for the Canva website to load up. Okay, wait for the Canva website to load up. Okay, I don't need this, so all I would do is to move away from this page. Okay, we'll come back here and search for Canva again. Search for Canva again. Or you can search for Canva sign up. Search for Canva sign up. Okay, you come here, you click on the first link. It will bring you down here, either here so all you have to do here is that because we don't really need this. Okay, I have an account here already, so all I have to do here is to sign out from this account. I'll sign out from the account. Okay, I'll now sign up a new account. You can see sign up there. So I don't advise you go with Google, I don't advise you go with Facebook. I can only advise you go with email, then continue with email. Click on continue with email. So once you click on continue with email, now you put in the email you copied from that mail website. All right, so once you've done that, let me paste the email here. You can see the email address is there, so you click on continue. Once you've done that, they will ask you to put your name and to set up a password for yourself. So I will put up a name, David G. So I will set up a password for myself. So I'll pause this video for now for security purpose so that I can put in my. So I've done that already. So I will now click on create account. So now message has been sent to that email address. So all I have to do is to go back to that website, that mail website, to get the message out. You can see the message there already. So all I have to do now is to copy this message, the code there, the number there, to Canva website. So what's the number? 917889. 917889. So you can see the code there, 917889. So it's been detecting. Or you wait for this page to come up. Wait for this page to come up. Wait for this page to load up. Okay, here we are. So now we are okay. There's a we have a lot of team here to join. So I advise you join the team with the highest number of members. Okay, like we have the one with 450 members. We have the one with 133 members. So we go ahead and join the one with highest numbers of members. Okay, click on join. Wait for it to load up. Make sure you always go for the one with the highest number of members. Okay, boom, now your account is secured. You can see you can make use of everything here, every template here. Use every template here for free without having to pay any dime. Okay, make use of the Canva Pro template, the tools, the template, the elements. You make use of them for free without having to pay any dime. You can see here everything is work. So guys, if you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe to the channel, please. Give us a thumbs up if you this video is very, very interesting and it is very, very of interest to you and you find it very interesting. So please guys, kindly give us a like. Click on the thumbs up button to give us a like. Subscribe to this channel, please, and also drop a comment on the comment section. And likewise also click on the notification bell, because I'm looking up forward to drop more valuable video as this one. Okay, like this one, I'm looking forward to drop more valuable video like this one. So and now you don't have to miss out on them. All right, so subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button. You can also share this video, all right, to people who need them. Okay, so and if you can do this, you can render this as services to people and get paid for it. If you can design anything of your choice with this package, with this promo package account, and then they're good to go. If you do it the first time and it did not work for you, try it again, the same method. If it did not work for you, try the same method again. Trust me, it's gonna work. It works, and it will work for you if you apply the same method I've used here for you. Okay, so see you next time, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, please. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on it to like this video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Okay, see you some other time. God bless you for checking out on. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you. If you are already a subscriber, thank you again also for checking back. Thank you and see you. I remain Emmanuel.